What's up guys, welcome back to Rooms for You. Today let's look at latest Pixel 5 port on Xiaomi PocoF1 F1. The build is stable and it is from OOF gang. As you see at the first look, the ROM is pretty smooth and responsive. I didn't notice any lags or jitters with any of the animation or navigations. So first is to talk about what is the stuff this ROM is packed with. Yes, when you come to about phone session, the ROM is based upon Android 12 and it is a semi-GSI. Android security patch they are using is from 5th November 2021 and kernel coupled here is Genos R19, which is also from OOF gang and it is a performance based kernel. Moving forward under system settings, there is developer options by default enabled. Let me quickly check the display cutout is working here or not. Yes, the display cutout option is present here and it is capable of hiding the notch without any issue. I didn't find any bugs after hiding the notch, which is something great. Coming back from there is option for multi-user handling. After enabling this option, you will be able to add multiple users and navigate in between them. The system update option is available, but don't expect any OTA from here. Maybe you will be getting information about upcoming update. Moving forward under security session, the ROM does include screen lock and fingerprint unlock, as there is no option for face unlock for now. The new design of security settings is really stunning. The fingerprint here is faster and responsive. When you come to advanced settings, you will be able to manage device admin applications, as well as the phone is not encrypted out of the box. When you come to privacy settings, there is option for permission manager. From this option, you will be able to manage per app permissions you have given, which means this option will allow you to decide which application need to use what permission. You can remove or add more permissions from here. Under display settings, there is option for adaptive brightness as well as manual brightness control. There is also option for dark theme switching. The option here is working pretty smooth. There is no option for display cutout in this session. Anyway, we have already checked display cutout from developer options. The tap to wake option is there and it is working without any issue. Under wallpaper and settings, you will be able to choose your personal wallpapers. If you want, you can download other wallpapers from the store as well. There is also option for different clock style as well as themed icons. The themed icon option is working pretty good. When you move down a bit, you will be getting option for app drawer grid. You can select your appropriate app grid from here. Let me select 5x5 for now. And yeah, the option is working without any issue. Under storage, you will be able to see total consumption of your internal storage. Viewing per app internal storage usage is pretty much easier from here. And yeah, after installing almost all the applications, my phone is using 30 GB of my internal storage. And moving forward, under battery settings, there is option for enabling or disabling battery percentage. The adaptive preference option is available. When you come to app session, you will be able to list out all the installed applications from here. Also, you can very much easily identify recent open apps. You will be able to change default applications from here. Assistant setting is integrated here. After enabling the assistant, it is working pretty good. Whether it is on screen or lock screen, the option is working pretty much good. Almost all the time, Google Assistant is pretty much responsive here, which is a great job by developers. Next is to talk about the QS panel. The QS panel is pretty much smooth and responsive. I didn't notice any jitters while opening or closing animations. If you select the edit icon, you will be able to add more tiles here. The QS panel is not inclusive of FPS info. The screen recorder is present and let's see if it is working properly or not. The previous Pixel 5 port was having jittery animations after enabling screen recorder. And yeah, it is the same with even in this build. App opening animations are pretty much laggy and jittery. Once you stop the screen recorder, screen is totally frozen. Touch is not responding at all. It is not that this phone is hanged up. All button options are working pretty good. So let me quickly reboot the phone once. Each time I have tried after enabling screen recorder, I did notice the jittery animations, frozen screen after stopping the recorder, which is an issue as of now if you are a gamer. When it comes to recent menu, the ROM does include select and screenshot, left to right clear all option as well. All options are working pretty good. Out of the box, the ROM does not come out with any camera applications. You may need to rely on third-party cams if you want your job done. Out of the box, the ROM is not rooted. And when you come to Saftynet, CTS profile is not passing. I believe there is already a fix that have given by the developer. Maybe you will be able to find it under their forums. Google Play Store and settings device is also not certified. Next is to talk about benchmarks. Out of the box, Antutu scores 4,35,000 plus, and when you come to Geekbench, for single core 503 and multi-core 190Z. To understand more about performance, I did do a 30-minute CPU throttling test. The scores was really good. Almost all the time, the ROM did manage to keep the graphs in green and pulled out average GIPS value of 2,14,000 plus. I did try playing BGMI multiple times and I didn't find any major issue with this ROM. Almost all the time the ROM was capable of holding frames near to 60 and the fluctuation was in between 50 to 60 FPS. Even while gaming, I didn't notice any touch lags or any other heating issues. So if you are someone who like to play games, this ROM can be considered. Overall, the ROM is pretty smooth and solid, and the screen recorder issue is present. Maybe by using a third-party screen recorder can solve this issue, as well as the Saftynet is not passing and Google Play protection is not there. If you leave these issues behind, you are someone who want to experience a Android 12 based ROM for gaming purpose, you can consider this ROM. But keep in mind that there is better options available. So that's it guys, this is all about latest Pixel 5 stable port. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'll catch you in next one.